burping. It probably got you in trouble as a kid. So what better way to stick it to your parents than by becoming a champ at it? These guys went head-to-head at the first ever World Burping Championship in New York.
There's no less validity to burping competitively or eating competitively than there is to running competitively, and I think the U.S. here, we're ahead of the curve, and we're finally starting to celebrate those things too.
I think people appreciate, great athletic feats.
Are these guys serious? Jeez, the competition was fierce. But at the end of the day, there can only be one winner. Tim won $500 and, more importantly, bragging rights.